Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stunning wooden home decor from fallen tree to modern art. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. From fallen tree to modern art for your home is more than just a phrase. It is a philosophy, an invitation to reimagine how we see the world around us, to view discarded branches, weathered logs, and forgotten wooden scraps not as waste, but as opportunities, as resources filled with hidden beauty waiting to be revealed through creativity and craftsmanship. Because every curve, knot, and grain tells a unique story. And when those stories are transformed into tangible pieces of decor, they have the power to captivate hearts, inspire conversations, and sell fast in today's ever-growing market for authentic and sustainable design. In a time where mass production has saturated homes with furniture and decorative pieces that look identical and lack soul, there is a growing hunger for items that carry depth, individuality, and meaning. And it is here that fallen wood becomes a treasure trove of possibilities, offering raw material that is not only sustainable, but also inherently rich in texture and form, qualities that cannot be replicated by factory machines. Imagine walking into a modern living room and seeing a sleek coffee table whose base was once a weathered stump, polished and shaped into a contemporary silhouette while retaining its organic warmth. Or envision a console table where branches intertwine like natural sculptures, turning what once lay unnoticed on the forest floor into the centerpiece of an interior that feels alive with character, authenticity, and artistry. This transformation is not just about aesthetics, it is about values, about honoring nature's cycles, embracing sustainability, and reminding ourselves that beauty often lies in what we overlook. And for the modern buyer, this connection is priceless. Which is why decor crafted from fallen trees and reclaimed wood has become one of the fastest-growing trends in home design, bridging the gap between eco-conscious living and contemporary style. The significance of crafting from discarded wood lies also in its accessibility. These resources are often abundant and free, available to anyone willing to see their potential, making them a perfect starting point for both hobbyists and aspiring entrepreneurs who dream of turning imagination into income. With just simple tools and creative vision, a fallen log can become a rustic bench, a broken branch can transform into a wall-mounted art piece, and slices of wood can evolve into coasters, candle holders, or even chic side tables that appeal to modern homeowners seeking originality. The process itself becomes a rewarding journey, where every cut, polish, and finish is not simply about shaping wood but about shaping meaning, about creating pieces that carry stories into the spaces they occupy, and in doing so, these works of art command both emotional and financial value. Buyers today are not just purchasing decor, they're investing in identity, in objects that differentiate their spaces from the generic, that embody values of sustainability and creativity. And that spark conversations with guests who marvel at how something so simple could be turned into something so profound. This is the essence of transforming fallen trees into modern art, creating not just decor but experiences, moments, and memories that linger far longer than their physical presence. For the maker, this journey opens a path toward both self-expression and entrepreneurship, a path where creativity meets purpose, where passion can blossom into profit without compromising principles of sustainability. It becomes an act of giving back to nature while drawing inspiration from it, of rescuing what might otherwise decay unnoticed and elevating it into functional beauty that enhances lives. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Each crafted piece becomes proof that artistry does not require expensive resources or elaborate setups, but rather a mindset that sees potential where others see waste, a mindset that believes in renewal and reinvention. In this way, fallen trees and discarded branches become metaphors for resilience, embodying how something broken or forgotten can be reborn into something valuable, and for many artisans. This philosophy resonates deeply with buyers who crave authenticity in a world where so much feels disposable. The marketplace for such creations is expanding rapidly, fueled by the growing demand for sustainable and eco-conscious living. And artisans who embrace this niche find themselves at the forefront of a movement that is not just about decoration, but about redefining lifestyle. Homes today are increasingly designed as sanctuaries, places that reflect personal values and aesthetics, and decor crafted from reclaimed wood aligns perfectly with this vision by blending functionality with emotional resonance. Whether it is a rustic lamp carved from a branch, a centerpiece made from polished burl wood, or a garden bench sculpted from logs, these pieces appeal to both minimalists seeking natural elegance and maximalists who love bold, organic statement designs. The versatility of fallen wood allows it to adapt seamlessly into any style, from rustic farmhouse to sleek modern minimalism, making it one of the most marketable mediums for home decor. At its core, the story of transforming fallen trees into modern art is about seeing possibility where others see limitation, about cultivating a vision that looks beyond the surface to uncover hidden treasures. And it is this perspective that gives life to decor that sells quickly and meaningfully in today's marketplace. Buyers crave more than utility. They crave pieces that carry stories, that spark emotion, and that connect them to something larger than themselves. And when artisans step into this creative dialogue with nature, they become more than crafters. They become storytellers, weaving narratives of sustainability, resilience, and artistry into every item they create. This transformation is not only financial, but also personal, offering a way to align passion with purpose, craft with conscience, and design with sustainability, and in doing so, it allows both maker and buyer to share in a cycle of renewal that extends far beyond the physical object. Ultimately, to embrace fallen trees as a resource for modern art is to embrace a philosophy of abundance, where nothing is wasted and everything has value, and in today's world, this mindset is more relevant than ever. It is an invitation to look again at what surrounds us, to see potential in the overlooked, and to act on that vision by crafting pieces that are not only beautiful, but also purposeful, profitable, and enduring. From the smallest branch turned into a chic wall hook to the grandest log reshaped into a statement dining table, the possibilities are endless, limited only by imagination, and each creation becomes a reminder that art and nature, when brought together, can change not only the way we decorate our homes, but also the way we live our lives, inspiring us to create, to cherish, and to honor the beauty that has been around us all along. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked stunning wooden home decor from fallen tree to modern art. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.